Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP DeskJet 2632 printer software on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and in the Google search, you want to search for HP DeskJet 2632 drivers. Go ahead and search for that. One of the best results should be an HP support page that says HP DeskJet 2632 all-in-one printer software and drivers. Open that up. And then on this page, you want to scroll down and expand the installation software and full/basic driver support. And then there should be an item in here that says HP DeskJet / Ink Advantage 2600 all-in-one printer series print and scan driver and accessories. Select download. And then once it's done downloading to your system, you want to go ahead and open it up to run it. And it should be a verified publisher as well. So once you get to the user account control screen, it should say HP Inc. in the name of the file author. You want to go ahead and select yes to agree to run that application. And you can close out the browser too. Proceed with the on-screen directions you see on this screen here. Again, you'll have to configure it for your specific printer needs. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.